Radio Udan presents Quiz. Interrogate your intelligence.
ग्रैंड फिनाले में रौनक लगाने के लिए, आपका दिल बहलाने के लिए, ग्रैंड फिनाले में रौनक लगाने के लिए, आपका दिल बहलाने के लिए मैं हाजिर हूं रेडियो उड़ान के ग्रैंड फिनाले में बाला नगेंद्रन के साथ ज्ञान का दीप जलाने के लिए। जी हाँ दोस्तों, आपका क्विज के ग्रैंड फिनाले में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और आज हम मस्ती करेंगे, धमाल करेंगे और एक नया विनर मिलेगा हमें इस क्विज की सेगमेंट में, जिसे मिलेगा रेडियो उड़ान की ओर से एक प्राइज भी। तो इससे पहले कि मैं बाला नगेंद्रन और अपने पार्टिसिपेंट्स को आपसे रूबरू करवाऊं, उससे पहले मैं थोड़ा सा बता दूं कि आप लोग भी बन सकते हैं विनर और आप लोग भी खेल सकते हैं हमारे साथ। आपको करना क्या है, उसके लिए रेडियो उड़ान की आईडी रेडियो उड़ान की वेबसाइट www.radioudan.com पर जाइए, फॉर्म फिल कीजिए पार्टिसिपेशन का और मेरे और बाला नगेंद्रन के साथ एक बेशकीमती मौका पाइए खेलने का। सो बाला, वेलकम है, हाउ आर यू?
Good evening, Danish bro, and belated happy Independence Day to all the participants and to listeners on behalf of Radio Udan's Quiz. Interrogate your intelligence, and we are here sitting with three winners of the three episodes of this segment 3, and now we are going to determine who is going to emerge victorious of this grand finale and who is going to get that Radio Udan's prize, and it's going to be the third. Yeah, let's introduce the participant first.
Yeah, it was last episode, it was a thriller. So we expect this episode gonna very interesting one. Okay, so participant A was the winner of the very first show of this segment, Mr. सुखवीर सिंह। सुखवीर जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। अपने बारे में बताइए लिसनर्स को, क्या मिजाज हैं आपके?
थैंक यू सभी को मेरी तरफ से। मैं एक्चुअली चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी का स्टूडेंट हूँ और पीएचडी कर रहा हूँ, जैसे कि मैंने लास्ट एपिसोड में भी बताया था। और ये जो है मेरा सेकंड शो है और आई शैल बी थैंकफुल टू यू अगर आप लोग इसे ध्यान से सुनेंगे।
इसके लिए सर आप जीते हैं पहला एपिसोड, तो आप आए हैं, इसके लिए द होल क्रेडिट गोज टू यू ओनली। So we are that credit should not be given to us at any cost.
No. Actually, there is a no matter of win or lose, we should be celebrate every time.
Absolutely, every day is a festival in India. Okay, Bala, who is with you?
Yeah, with that wonderful words of Sukhbirji, I have got another person actually who has come from the sensational ending of a segment. I mean, the episode that listeners would have guessed. Yes, welcome Ajit Kumar ji. How are you? Welcome back to Grand Finale. How do you feel to be here at the Grand Finale? And you'll tell something about the listeners.
Good evening, everybody. I am Ajit Kumar Panda from NTPC Limited, Tanda, UP. Very glad to be among the participants of Radio Udan Quiz. I am very thankful to Danish ji and Bala sir that they have given me an opportunity to be.
Actually, you have earned that opportunity, sir, to be in the grand finale. Yeah.
Hope today I will do well with the goodwill of all RJs, all listeners, including my co-participants.
Yeah, best wishes, and Danish bro, the last person who is going to take seat as a participant C in this grand finale.
So very clever remarks from the Ajit Kumar Panda ji. That's fine. Okay, I have got Mr. Arif. He's an excellent player of the quiz as well. He's from Calcutta. आरिफ जी, कैसे हैं आप? अपने बारे में लिसनर्स को बताइए, क्या हालचाल है कलकत्ता में?
Good evening, listeners. I am from Kolkata, Arif, and I am a student of Bengali literature.
मैंने और बाला ने आपके पैसे मारे हैं?
नहीं, कभी नहीं। ये कैसे?
अच्छा, गुड इवनिंग हमें नहीं की, सिर्फ लिसनर्स को। Okay, carry on, please.
Yeah. Hey, continue.
And I am very thankful to Radio Udan and Ganesh ji and Balaji to give me the opportunity on this show to participate. And I express my thanks all our listeners and all our RJs and all my co-participants.
And yeah, we also must thank you people because of you we are hosting this grand finale. We also thank from on behalf of both of us, we both extend a warm thanks to all both three of you, and we wish you the very best to emerge victorious.
जी बिल्कुल, आपको सभी को तमाम शुभकामनाएं रेडियो उड़ान की ओर से. And before we plunge into the first round, Bala, one interesting remark from one participant I got, not from these participants. One participant told me, you do one thing, don't give us any prize. You arrange a date with one of the RJ, female RJ.
Oh my goodness!
instead of a prize.
Oh.
Okay, so this one will be there. The faithful animal wants to join us in the quiz.
We don't know whether it is quiz or we want to join the date, because as soon as you said it started shouting.
But I think we have.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
So first round, you pay your attentions now, because it is a grand finale. So pay your attention. First round gonna be history. पहला राउंड हिस्ट्री राउंड है. दो क्वेश्चन सभी को मिलेंगे. नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है. सही जवाब 10 पॉइंट, गलत आपको कुछ नुकसान नहीं करेगा. हर जवाब के लिए 30 सेकंड होंगे. क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश और हिंदी में दोहराया जाएगा, उसके बाद आपको अलाउड किया जाएगा. उसके पहले दोगे तो पॉइंट माइनस होंगे. क्वेश्चन रिपीट के लिए आप हमें बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन डोंट इंटरप्ट बिटवीन द क्वेश्चन. व्हेन वी आर रीडिंग फर्स्ट टाइम, डोंट इंटरप्ट. You listen in Hindi and English. If you have still any confusion, you can tell us to repeat the question. Hope the rules are clear to you.
Yeah, every question carries 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, you have to answer. And first round, Danish Pro, you are already explained the rules and regulations. That's going to be the conventional format of quiz that we are going to plunge in first. Danish Pro, shall we?
First question, Sukhveer ji, on your way. Take your question.
The first Persian ruler who occupied a part of Indian territory was?
वो कौन से पहले ईरानी शासक हैं जिन्होंने भारत के क्षेत्र पर कब्जा किया अथवा जीता?
Option A, Cyrus. Option B, Darius I. Option C, Cambyses.
Your time starts now.
It's B, Darius.
Okay, you got your 10 points.
Congratulations. What a beginning of this grand finale.
Wonderful beginning. As he always used to be like Chris Gale. Whenever he faces the first ball, it gone out of the fence.
And what about the second ball?
Yeah, let's see. Second ball, I hope that it will also go out of the park.
Okay. Ajit Panda ji, your first question on your way. Take your question, please.
Alexander remained in India for?
Alexander यानी सिकंदर भारत में कितनी देर तक रहे?
Option A, 29 months. Option B, 39 months. Option C, 19 months.
Your time starts now. सिकंदर भारत में
29 months.
29 months.
Oh, but the answer is 19 months. Alexander the Great was been in India for just 19 months, but he conquered. He conquered like anything. Okay, no problem. This is just
No
one
problem.
question, and we know your records that you have bounced back. So, no problem.
Arif ji,
Yeah.
your first question. On your way.
Who was the ambassador in the court of Bindusar?
बिंदुसार के कोर्ट में राजदूत कौन थे?
Option A, Megasthenes. Option B, Damachus. Option C, Antiochus.
जी, बिंदुसार के कोर्ट में एम्बेसडर कौन थे? योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. Yes, Arif. Your time is running.
I think A.
Megasthenes, right?
Yeah.
But the answer is Deimachus. So, no problem.
You
Half
spell
of the
the
first
right
round has
answer.
begun. Deimachus.
Demetrius.
Yeah, Deimachus, actually.
Okay. Okay, your another question, Sukhveer sir, on your way.
The last king of Mauryan Empire was
मौर्य काल के अंतिम शासक कौन थे?
option A, Devavarman, option B, Brihadrath, option C, Kanala.
Your time starts now.
B. Vedrath.
You got
Bala.
20.
Thank you.
Oh, great, Sukhveer sir, congratulations.
Thank you.
Super. Ajit sir, your question.
The writer of Kalpa Sutra was
कल्प सूत्र के लेखक कौन थे? जी, जैनियों का ग्रंथ है कल्प सूत्र, उसके लेखक कौन थे? आपका सॉरी.
option A, Simyuka, option B, Bhadrabahu, option C, Patanjali.
Your time starts now.
I think it's A.
Simyuka. But the answer is Bhadrabahu.
Bhadrabahu.
Yes. Bhadrabahu has written Kalpa Sutra. Okay. No problem. Sixth question and the last question of the round.
One amazing thing in the when I am hosting this quiz and when I used to take part, the book is written by some other people, but we have to remember why.
Because we have to read that book. If you don't remember, listen to look into a book.
It is in Sanskrit. I don't know, even not in Sanskrit. I don't know even good Hindi English. Okay, let's move. It will be translated in many languages, but final question of the round for Mr. Arif.
Tuluva dynasty was founded by
तुलुवा डायनेस्टी किनके द्वारा संस्थापित की गई थी?
option A, Narasa Nasyaka, option B, Krishnadevaraya, option C, Veera Narasimha.
Your time starts now.
Zaman Saab.
Yeah.
Yeah, Narasa Nasyaka, Krishnadevaraya, Veera Narasimha. Let's see.
B.
Pardon?
B.
B.
Krishnadevaraya.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. But the answer is Veera Narasimha. Yeah, Veera Narasimha was the founder of Tulu dynasty, but Krishnadevaraya happened to be the famous king among those Tulu dynasty and who ruled that Vijayanagara empire. Because why he is famous? Because of Tenali Rama. Okay, fine. The first round
And the
has
first
been.
round is over. Yes. And after first round, we have to plunge in the other round. Before that, Bala, some listeners were texting me, even on my mobile, they are calling and asking from where Bala is bringing these questions.
That they have to ask Danish Mahajan.
No, they don't believe.
They have to believe. They have no alternatives. They have to believe.
So your impression and my impression.
Yeah, they have to believe.
They said I have given some amount to you for saying this.
No.
Okay. So
Okay,
Bala is
fine.
ready with the scoreboard. Bala, what is the scoreboard?
A 20, B yet to open, C yet to open. So that's very good.
Okay. What very good? They did not open the account. It's very good for you. It's not. So Sukhveer conquered the first round. Hope all will join him. The interesting competition we want to see. Second round, let me introduce. The round is polity round. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, देशों विदेशों के राजनीतिक विज्ञान की बातें, संविधान की बातें, और इसमें ये रूल्स बिल्कुल सेम हैं. नॉन एक्टिव मार्किंग, सो आप अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं. Should we start?
Yes, same conventional quiz round. Politics, international relation, international organization, Indian constitution, everything contains. And let's see the firecracks begins as the history round finishes.
Yeah. Okay. Should we start the second round? Are you ready all? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Fine.
Okay. First question to participant A. How many parliamentary standing committees are there in India at present?
वर्तमान में भारत में कितनी पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटीज हैं?
Options are A. 23, B. 24, C. It depends upon the Council of Ministers.
Your time starts now. पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी वर्तमान में कितनी है भारत में?
23. Age 23.
Is going with 23.
Okay, but the answer is 24. 24. Probably you might have confused with that public account.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think now Ajit sir and Arif has taken a sigh of relief.
Yeah, they could have no. Actually, see, 4 rounds, totally 8 questions, and the negative marking is there, so they will.
Anything can be. Okay.
Anything.
Second question for Ajit sir. Your first question. On your way.
Which article of the Constitution grants the pardoning power to the President of India?
भारतीय संविधान का वो कौन सा आर्टिकल है जो राष्ट्रपति को माफ करने का अधिकार देता है? I mean, राष्ट्रपति को अधिकार देता है कि वो किसी को माफ कर सकते हैं.
Yeah. Options are A. 71, B. 72, C. 73.
Your time starts now.
$71.
Close, dead close. The answer is
72.
72. Yes. Article 72 is the grants the pardoning power to the president. Yes. Very close, dead
It's
close.
like the simple catch. It was a dolly, but you dropped.
Yeah, this is a very simple. And let's see. All questions are simple.
Yeah, 72. Right answer, right?
Yeah. Article 72 grants the pardoning power to the president.
Okay. Okay. Next question for Mr. Arif.
Yeah.
Which section of the IPC penalizes kidnap?
आईपीसी की वो कौन सी धारा है जो किडनैप करने पर सजा देती है किडनैपर्स को?
Option A, IPC 364A, B, IPC 364, C, IPC 365.
Your time starts now.
$364A.
But the answer is 364 because 364A deals with abduction also. Right? Abduction for ransom. That is what 364A. When we talk about kidnap, that is 364. Very close. Very close.
Okay. Another question for Shakir sir.
Here is your question, participant A. Who was the army chief during 1999 Kargil war?
1999 यानी कि 1999 के कारगिल युद्ध में आर्मी चीफ कौन थे?
Options are A. Ved Prakash Malik, B. Vikram Batra, C. Rajesh Singh Adhikari.
Your time starts now.
It's A.
You got 30.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ved Prakash Malik was the army chief and the lieutenant when India and Pakistan were colliding each other, where India beat Pakistan. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Next question, Ajit sir.
Yes, sir.
Name the vegetable that has been included in the Essential Commodities Act recently with onion.
अभी अभी कमोडिटी एक्ट में प्याज के साथ उस सब्जी का नाम बताएं जिसको जरूरी खाने पीने वाली वस्तु के रूप में कमोडिटी एक्ट में शामिल किया गया है.
Options are A. Tomato, B. Potato, C. Brinjal.
Your time starts now.
Tomato.
Tomato you said?
Again, yeah, tomato. Again, you are potato.
Potato.
Yeah, potato is the right. You said tomato.
No problem. That's
He was comparing the price. The tomato
No.
and the onion are
Actually,
same price, na?
Tomato is not a vegetable; it's a fruit.
And West Bengal government also decided to
What include potato?
To Mamata Banerjee will produce.
Yeah. Fine.
Okay. So last question of the round goes to Mr. Arif. Here is your question.
India is a
भारत है
option A, Union of State. Option B, Federation of State. Option C, Dominion of State.
Your time starts now. I was also confused what Bala India is a. Okay. Mr. Arif.
Dominion of States.
But the answer is Union of States.
Union
That's what
of
the
States.
first article says. India, that is Bharat, is a Union of State. That people will confuse that Dominion is the term that British, our ancestors, the colonizers used. India Dominion, Pakistani Dominion. But according to the constitution, India is a, as of now, we have to say India is a Union of State.
So here is the end of this round, and the Bala is very much ready with the scoreboard. Before he tells the scoreboard, let's have the views of our participants, how they are enjoying. And yeah, Mr. Arif, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
I'm enjoying this quiz. I'm not playing well, but I'm enjoying this quiz.
You are
very much.
gaining the knowledge.
There is nothing that we can play well. Even you can come again, you can play. So
Yeah.
as many times you want. So no problem. Don't worry
Yeah.
about it. Even you haven't lost yet. 3 rounds are there.
Yeah,
So
3
you
rounds
can-
are there. Anything can happen. जी अजीत सर कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
I am not performing well, but I am enjoying the show. And learning.
Yeah, you are gaining the knowledge.
Yeah, nothing about performance. Sir. Very simple.
Yeah,
If we are also sitting at your place, we would also struggle a bit.
You would haven't seen that Sachin has gone out on many time on duck.
Yeah.
Okay, Sanveer sir, how are you?
काफी अच्छा है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन काफी अच्छे हैं। एक क्वेश्चन 2 क्वेश्चन ने मुझे कंफ्यूज टोटली कर दिया था, और चलो फिर भी मतलब काफी अच्छे क्वेश्चन थे, क्वालिटी वाले क्वेश्चन।
कभी कभी हम भी जाहिर खान बन जाते हैं। Before we plunge into the third round, I tell you, one the last episode, if you heard, in that we were recording at night due to internet problem.
Yeah,
Now,
2:40.
Yeah, and what were the butter? But how I was, Bala was saying, okay, Danish bro, you say your time starts now. I was like, Bala, you leave it, yeah. Times you say that it's pacing my shoulder. Let's complete in hurry. But this is a nice time. I'm really enjoying the time, a lot of time, and enjoying a lot. The internet is good as for today, but still 3 rounds. Let us see.
Yeah.
Okay.
The
Third
score.
round.
Yes. The
Okay.
score.
Okay, scores. Yeah, please score.
8:30. B yet to open. C yet to open. Still, it is there.
It is there. Okay. So 2 rounds has been completed. Third is there.
To debate on every topic and enhance your knowledge.
I am not debating.
You are debasing my leader. You are debasing my leader. That I won't. That is not the debate. Actually,
If this is the case of debasing, then why she debased? Because she wanted to meet Narendra Modi, and there are so many
you
problems.
organize another debate. I only care of my leader.
No, sir. It's not a point of your leader or our leader. The point is that for Narendra Modi. Yes.
No. He has said against the state.
Listen, the moderator, please. Hey, guys, don't.
You can participate in the debate every Saturday from 10 to 11. For more info, you can log in to www.radioudan.com. Keep listening. Badalta Dao. Hello.
Hey, what about your exam?
Oh,
what can I say? I'm plugged once again. This reasoning section is hurting a lot. I don't know what to do.
I have a good news for you. Hold on and listen to the script.
2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 4 is equal to 21. 5 plus 6 is equal to 55. Then 4 plus 8 is equal to what? What comes once in a year, twice in a week?
जी हाँ फ्रेंड्स, हम आपके लिए लाए हैं एक बहुत ही मजेदार शो जिसका नाम है मिसेस कंफ्यूजन, जो कि आपकी कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट भी करेंगी और उसे सॉल्व भी करेंगी। सो सुनना ना भूलिए मिसेस कंफ्यूजन, a show on reasoning every Sunday 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. only on Radio Udan.
आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो उड़ान, लाइफ ऑफ लाइफ।
Radio Udan presents Quiz. Interrogate your intelligence.
Bala has made me the Bali ka Bakra for this round. So, mythology round is there. Right answer 10 point. Negative marking started. Wrong answer will -5. तीसरा राउंड है माइथोलॉजी राउंड, इसमें नफा और नुकसान आपके हाथ में है। सही जवाब 10 पॉइंट, गलत जवाब -5 पॉइंट। अगर आप छोड़ देते हो अगले पार्टिसिपेंट को क्वेश्चन जाता है, अगर वो अटेम्प्ट करता है सही जवाब 5 पॉइंट, गलत जवाब -5 पॉइंट। रूल्स आर क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And in this, I will say the question first, Mr. Bala. Now my turn.
Yeah, you proceed, sir.
Yeah. If you have any problem in English, you let me know. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So should we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मिस्टर सुखवीर जी आपके लिए ये रहा। ध्रुव के पिता का नाम बताएं।
What is the name of the father of Dhruva?
A. उतानपादा, B. उताननाथ, C. ऋषि चमन। Your time start now.
Yes.
जी सुखवीर जी।
It's B. Utannath.
You attempted.
Yeah.
And
ये उत्तन पाद होना चाहिए।
जी बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हैं अजीत जी।
So 5 minus 5?
जी बिल्कुल -5।
Yes. Next question.
उतानपाद ये इनकी 2 वाइफ भी थी, और ये ध्रुव जी मैं आपको बताऊंगा नहीं इन्होंने क्या किया, क्योंकि अगला क्वेश्चन हम पूछ सकते हैं इससे रिलेटेड। ओके, सेकंड क्वेश्चन अजीत जी आपके लिए।
यस सर।
भगवान शिव और पार्वती माता के घर के गृह प्रवेश की पूजा अर्चना करवाने के लिए पंडित कौन थे?
Name the priest who has come to conduct the puja at the residence built by Vishwakarma for Parvati Mata.
A. ऋषि विशर्वा, B. रावण, C. ऋषि श्रृंगी। Your time
ऋषि विशर्वा।
starts now.
विशर्वा, ऋषि विशर्वा।
Rishi, you have also attempted, but that's well attempt. You have nothing to lose.
Yeah.
But the right answer is Ravan.
My goodness, most of the people don't know. Most of us, even Ravan happened to be the priest to a, Grav Pravesh. That's a nice question.
इन्होंने पूजा करवाई थी रावण ने और बाद में उनका घर खुद ही मान लिया था दक्षिणा में। So it's a wonderful story.
Yeah.
जी।
Ravan asked the house, right?
Yeah.
Probably we are his followers. I think so. We both.
Yeah. Okay. Next question, Mr. Arif. शत्रुघ्न की पत्नी का नाम बताएं।
Who is the wife of Shatrugna?
शत्रुघ्न की वाइफ की पत्नी का नाम बताएं। ए मांडवी, बी सुतकीर्ति, सी उर्मिला। Your time starts now. मांडवी।
You two have nothing to lose, so that this won't affect you the most.
सुतकीर्ति।
सुतकीर्ति होना चाहिए था।
As soon as you asked Danish bro, as soon as you said the option Mandvi, I was surprised. We. Oh, if she listens, she will kill me. Okay, fine.
Yeah. So, another question, Mr. Sukhveer, for you.
Yes.
What was the real name of Draupadi? द्रौपदी का real नाम क्या था?
What was the real name of Draupadi? The options are
A. Krishna, B. Govindi, C. Devki. The time starts
A. Krishna. It's A. Krishna.
And you are absolutely right. Congratulations, you have got your 10 points.
Thank you.
breaking the shackles.
Come on अजीत जी, come on आरिफ जी. Another question अजीत सर आपके लिए. इनमें से किस ऋषि ने पुत्रकमिष्टि यज्ञ दशरथ जी के लिए किन्होंने परफॉर्म किया था?
Name the priest who performed Putrakamishti Yaga for Dashrath.
दशरथ जी. हाँ.
Options are
A.
Yes.
ऋषि श्रृंगा, श्रृंगी ऋषि जिसे हम बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
B. ऋषि भृगु. C. ऋषि वशिष्ठ.
Your time starts now.
ऋषि श्रृंगा.
Rishi Shringi, he said, and Bala here.
He is coming with the 10 points. Closing in on. Sukhbir ji, you have to take your nerves cool and you have to start moving. Fine.
Congratulations, Ajit sir. You have opened the account. 10 points for you. A final question of the round for Mr. Arif. भगवान कृष्ण के गुरु का नाम बताएं.
Who is the guru of Lord Krishna?
A. संदीपनी ऋषि. B. ऋषि जोग वशिष्ठ. C. ऋषि विश्वामित्र. Your time starts now. जी आरिफ जी, you have nothing to lose. A. Congratulations, got your 10 points. You have also joined the party.
Wow.
So
it's gonna be the game of the hour. Very good. 4 questions each.
Here is the end of this round. So I think everybody is enjoying now. Bala, what are the scorecard? What is the scorecard, brother?
Yeah, A 35, B 10, C 10. I'm very happy to read the score as the game began to flourish.
अभी हम चौथे राउंड की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं. चौथे राउंड में भी रूल्स बिल्कुल सेम है. सही जवाब 10 पॉइंट, माइनस 5 पॉइंट. अगर छोड़ दोगे, पास कर दोगे बिना आंसर दिए तो नुकसान नहीं होगा. और इस राउंड का नाम है ज्योग्राफी राउंड. भूगोल से रिलेटेड हम सवाल पूछेंगे. राइट? Should we pursue?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Here is the first question to participant A on this 4th round of the grand finale of Radio Dance Quiz. Interrogate your intelligence. Sukhbir ji, here is your question. Where do you find day and night equal?
आप कहां पर पाएंगे रात्रि और दिन बराबर.
Options are A at the North Pole, B at the tropics, C at the equator.
Your time starts now.
C at the equator.
It's very fast.
Good, wonderful. Got 10 points.
Thank you.
जी इक्वेटर जैसे मतलब वर्ड से ही पता लग रहा है आपको, तो सुखवीर सर हैज क्रैक्ड द आंसर. सो वर्ड इज वेरी मच टेलिंग इक्वेटर. सो इसी से हमें अंदाजा हो जाता है कि दिन और रात बराबर होते हैं. बाकी जो बाला ने 2 ऑप्शन बोले वो तो मेरे सिर के ऊपर से निकल गए, वो क्या थे. ओके, सो अनदर क्वेश्चन फॉर अजीत सर.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Which country is called as the land of rising sun?
वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन. इनमें से कौन सा देश है जो सूर्य उदय के नाम से जाना जाता है?
Option A Japan, option B Taiwan, option C Australia.
जापान.
आपने जापान को चढ़ते सूरज को बताया.
You have begun to pick the pace.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I think you are not making Sukhbir ji to have a relax. Even if yeah, fine. This is what
he has gone far ahead, sir.
So he got 10 points, right?
Yes. Arif ji, here is your question.
वेट. ओके, सो अजीत जी ने जापान को चढ़ता सूरज बताया और हमने अजीत जी को बताया. 10 पॉइंट अजीत जी के लिए. तो फाइनल नोट सॉरी क्वेश्चन फॉर मिस्टर आरिफ नाउ.
Yeah, third question. I mean, final question of the half of the round of geography. Yes, the highest waterfalls of the world is.
विश्व में सबसे ऊंचे झरने का नाम बताएं.
Option A Dog Falls, option B Angel Falls, option C Gavarine Falls.
Your time starts now. जी आरिफ जी. ABC. You are attempting
Angel Falls. Okay, you can say loud and clear. So you are tying up with Ajit ji.
Arif ji, get your 10 point. Okay. So 3 question gone. Everybody is right. Another question for Mr. Sukhveer. Here is your question.
The deepest lake in the world is.
सबसे गहरी झील का नाम बताएं.
Option A Lake Superior, option B Victoria Nyanza, option C Baker Lake. Your time starts
now.
It's the Baikal Lake. Lake of Baikal.
You have crossed the half century and you're standing with very margin. You got your 10 points.
Thank you.
Cannot say more than that. It's wonderful that you are playing.
Yeah.
The region around South Pole is known as.
South Pole के आसपास का एरिया जाना जाता है.
Yes.
Option A Arctic, option B Antarctic, option C Capricorn.
Your time starts now.
South Pole ना.
Yeah.
जी.
Antarctica.
Fantastic. It's Antarctic. If it is North Pole, then it's Arctic.
Arctic.
Yeah, South Pole, it's Antarctic.
Antarctic.
Okay, so you also get your 10 point.
Yes,
so
still.
5 questions, all are right. Okay. So next, final question of this round, Mr. Arif. Here is your question.
Name the place in India that registers highest rainfall in a year.
वर्तमान में भारत में वो कौन सी जगह है जहां सबसे ज्यादा बारिश रजिस्टर की गई है, की जाती है पर ईयर, एवरी ईयर, राइट?
Yeah, at present, every year.
Yeah.
Option A, Cherrapunji. Option B, Masandrome. Option C, Ladakh.
Your time starts now.
Cherrapunji.
You have been
Unfortunate that we have to reduce your 5 point. It's Masandrome in Meghalaya, not Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji happened to be the second one now. After 1986, Cherrapunji happened to be second.
Okay, so here is the end of the round.
Yes.
Fourth round. So now before we plunge into the final round, again we want your views. So let's start with Mr. Sukhveer sir. Sukhveer sir, कोई suggestion है या कैसे लग रहा है आपको, कैसे enjoy कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, काफी अच्छा है, ठीक है, इसमें तो कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है सजेशन की। बढ़िया चल रहा है, तो अच्छे क्वेश्चन है, काफी क्लोज है, ना ज्यादा इजियर ना ही ज्यादा टफ है, ठीक है, बीच में क्वेश्चन होने चाहिए जो और लिसनर्स के लिए भी फायदेमंद हो।
जी, थैंक यू। अजीत जी, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? कोई सजेशन आपके पास?
Sir, no suggestion. The questions are excellent. It's neither it is easier nor tough, but we could not answer the questions that the matter of sorrow, but to some it's going very well, sir.
Yeah,
it's
but you have
30
points, sir. You have answered.
Yeah, it's a matter of enjoyment. You are participating. You are gaining the knowledge. जी, आरिफ जी, आपके पास कोई सजेशन और आप कैसे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं? जी, आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, सजेशन कोई नहीं अभी आपके पास? इसने भी ठानी है कि आपको कुछ ना कुछ दे के ही जाना है। ओके, villages wala used to come this na. I have experience. I have also sold.
That's a wonderful noise from the side of us.
Now the season is coming. We have cosmetic shop, and on the occasion of Karwa Chauth, we used to say, "Hey, chudi le lo, sandur, chudi, datan, lipstick." Okay. So,
यादें, ये यादें कई बार हंसा जाती हैं हमें, मुस्कुराने पर मजबूर कर जाती हैं हमें, और कई बार रुला देती हैं हमें। फिर वो यादें अपनी जिंदगी की हो या दूसरों से जुड़ी। दोस्तों, ऐसे अनगिनत राज हैं बॉलीवुड में जो आज तक खुले ही नहीं, और अगर खुले भी तो बहुत कम लोग जिन्हें जानते हैं। तो चलिए, कोई बात नहीं, मैं आरजे पुनीत सोनी लेकर आ रहा हूं आपके लिए यादें कही अनकही इस शो में, जिसमें होंगी यादें बॉलीवुड से जुड़ी हुई, होंगे फसाने और उनसे जुड़े तराने। तो सुनना न भूलिए, हर मंगलवार रात 10 से 11 यादें कही अनकही, यादें अनकही, यादें अनकही, यादें अनकही।
मैं आरजे मोनिका करूंगी आपके लक्ष्य को पाने में आपकी मदद, और बनूंगी आपकी सहभागी आपकी सक्सेस में। लाऊंगी आपके लिए जीके से जुड़े अनछुए पहलू, और शेयर करेंगे हम ज्ञान को। यस फ्रेंड्स, मैं आरजे मोनिका ला रही हूँ आपके लिए ज्ञान से सराबोर एक एजुकेशनल प्रोग्राम, जिसका नाम है लेट्स एंजॉय 2020।
every Monday at 10 to 11 p.m. and repeat broadcast on Tuesday 5 to 6 p.m. only on Radio Udan.
आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो उड़ान, द फ्लाइट ऑफ लाइफ, वर्ल्ड्स नंबर 1 इंटरनेट रेडियो स्टेशन ऑफ इट्स ओन काइंड। सुनते रहिए और एंजॉय कीजिए रेडियो उड़ान।
Radio Udan presents Quiz. Interrogate your intelligence.
So let's enjoy the final round. The final round, interesting one, is current affair and rules again changed. यहाँ पर आपको सवाल का जवाब देना पड़ता है। सही जवाब 10 पॉइंट, गलत जवाब 5 -5 पॉइंट। तो क्वेश्चंस वही हैं, दो क्वेश्चंस। फाइनल राउंड है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। सुखवीर जी, आपके लिए पहला सवाल इस राउंड का ये रहा।
Here's your first question, participant A, last round of grand finale. Name the president of Ghana who removed his sports minister due to the dismal performance of the team in the FIFA World Cup 2014.
गाना के राष्ट्रपति का नाम बताएं जिन्होंने 2014 फीफा फुटबॉल विश्व कप में अपनी टीम की परफॉर्मेंस सही न होने पर अपने देश के खेल मंत्री को हटा दिया।
Options are A. John Dramani Mahama, B. John Evans Adam Mills, C. Jerry John Lawrence.
Your time starts now.
It's B.
You're taking risk.
John Evans Aramil, you're saying?
Yes.
But he was the president who passed away in 2012. Then John Dramani Mahama sworn in as the president. He is the president, current president of Ghana. So no problem. Even nothing is going to be lost because of the risk unless until they are going to answer right.
Yeah, so -5 points for Mr. Shakir now.
You must be cautious that if they crack.
Next question, Ajit sir, your question.
Who won the medal for India in gymnastics at the Commonwealth Games 2014?
2014 राष्ट्रमंडल गेमों में भारत के लिए जिम्नास्टिक में पदक किन्होंने हासिल किया?
A. Ashish Kumar. Option B. Deepa Karmakar. Option C. Rakesh Patra.
Your time starts now.
A. Ashish Kumar sir.
Oh my goodness, but it's Deepa Karmakar who won World Gymnastic bronze medal.
Yeah, so -5 points. You repeat the right answer of this question again.
It's Deepa Karmakar, the only woman in at this Commonwealth Games. Ashish Kumar was in 2010 Delhi, was won silver in the rhythm and all gymnastics. No problem.
Question for Mr. Arif.
Name the international magazine that awarded Deepika Padukone as the sexiest woman of the world 2014.
उस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मैगजीन का नाम बताएं जिन्होंने दीपिका पादुकोण को विश्व की सबसे सेक्सिएस्ट औरत होने का अवार्ड 2014 दिया।
Option A, FHM UK. Option B, FHM USA. Option C, FHM India.
Your time starts now.
Option B.
Option B, FHM USA.
Yeah.
But Indian is the one who recognized that Deepika Padukone is the sexiest woman. We people are very good in recognizing who is.
-5 points for Mr. Arif. Final question of the day for Mr. Sukhveer. Final question of yours.
Name the smallest country that has won its first ever medal at the Commonwealth Games 2014.
उस सबसे छोटे देश का नाम बताया जिन्होंने कॉमनवेल्थ गेम 2014 यानी कि राष्ट्रमंडल खेल ने 2014 में अपना पहला पदक हासिल किया?
ऑप्शन ए लेसोतो, ऑप्शन बी लाओस, ऑप्शन सी किरुपाती।
योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ।
It's B, Laos.
But its answer is C, Kirupati, because it is the tiny Pacific nation that has won gold medal. That person has won gold medal in 105 kg weightlifting category. Kirupati is the only tiny nation. Laos is also tiny nation, but it hasn't registered its victory, same as Lesotho. Three of them are smallest nation, but Kirupati was the nation that registered medal. No problem, even...
Yes. So now, final question of the day of Mr. Ajit, on your way.
Last question to participant B of this grand finale. How many countries have won medals in the Commonwealth Games 2014?
2014 की राष्ट्रमंडल खेलों में कितने देशों ने पदक हासिल किए?
Options are A 34, B 37, C 53.
Your time starts now.
Options again, sir, please.
A 34, B 37, C 53. Attempted age 37. 34 countries didn't won the gold medal, didn't won any medal, which means totally 71 countries participated in this year's Commonwealth. 37 won the medal, 34 didn't won the medal.
The right answer is 37. Right?
Yes.
The final question of the day of Mr. Arif and of this finale goes to Mr. Arif. Yeah. Mr. Arif, here is your question.
Which among the following will be the host of 2018 Commonwealth Games?
इनमें से 2018 के राष्ट्रमंडल खेलों को कौन होस्ट करेगा?
Option A, New South Wales. Option B, Queensland. Option C, Sydney.
Your time starts now. Yes, your time is running. C, he's saying C.
Sydney.
Yeah.
2018 Commonwealth Games are not going to be held by Sydney, it's going to be held by Queensland, the Gold Coast city. Gold Coast City is in Queensland. Actually, first we have chosen Gold Coast City. Then today we have altered. Okay, people will answer Gold Coast. Let's choose Queensland. Okay, fine.
So
Queensland is the answer.
आज की सेगमेंट यहीं पर समाप्त होती है, यानी कि सवाल और जवाब वाला स्कोरबोर्ड। कौन है आज का विजेता?
Yeah, A45, B25, C5. I'm saying the score after undergoing that negative deduction. So, yeah.
So what are the score?
A45, B25, C5.
So winner is
A45. It's none other than Sukhbir Singh.
जी, तो क्विज का ये आज का मंजर है। हिंदुस्तान में भी खिलाड़ियों का समंदर है। आज के विजेता है सुखबीर सिंह और यही ग्रैंड फिनाले का सिकंदर है। तो ग्रैंड फिनाले में सुखबीर जी, आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। आप इस ग्रैंड फिनाले के विजेता हैं। आपको रेडियो उड़ान की तरफ से एक प्राइज दिया जाता है, जिसे स्पॉन्सर किया है भूषण प्रभु ने। और बाकी पार्टिसिपेंट्स, आपने अच्छा खेला, आप भी बधाई के पात्र हैं पार्टिसिपेशन के लिए। आप दोबारा से पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं जब चाहें। हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाइए दोस्तों, आप भी जा सकते हैं, विजिट कीजिए www.radioudan.com और पार्टिसिपेशन फॉर्म फिल कीजिए। अगले वीक से शुरू होगा अंताक्षरी का सुहाना सफर, उसमें भी आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। और इस बार हमारे नए होस्ट हैं, सरप्राइज है, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग राउंड है, अंताक्षरी सुनना भी मत भूलिएगा। तो फिलहाल इस बार के सिकंदर सुखवीर जी, आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। फाइनली आप, इससे पहले कि बाला कुछ कहे, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
थैंक यू वेरी मच। एक्चुअली जो लास्ट राउंड हुआ, एक्चुअली मैंने उसकी प्रेपरेशन ही बिल्कुल नहीं की स्पोर्ट्स का, कहीं माइंड में था ही नहीं कि स्पोर्ट्स के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं।
What about Radio Udan quiz? Any comment?
You can give your suggestions how to improve this quiz. What can we do next? Because we have taken this quiz under the suggestion of the listeners, so that participants are also listeners, so you can give your suggestions as well.
काफी अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं, काफी एक्चुअली ऑप्शन इज राइट, but I want to give you one suggestion that you should include the another option, all of the above also. 1 or 2 or all of the above.
If that is the case, we can go for 4 options, right? Because if we give 3 options, that will serve to the person who will answer. Actually, we are framing the question that the person shouldn't answer, right? Yeah. If you are answering that question, you are beating us. So that's what. So
he has written all. So Bala, your final comments today?
Yeah. In the meantime, let's hear others as well, so that I can give my final comments.
Yeah. Ajit ji, आपके final comments?
क्वेश्चन से बहुत अच्छे थे सर। हमको कोई सजेशन नहीं देना है, जैसे चल रहा है वैसे ही चलें तो बढ़िया चलेगा।
जी आरिफ जी।
I'm enjoying and I have a suggestion. If you have had around like
sorry,
can you come closer?
Yeah, your voice is very less.
Hello.
जी।
If you add any round like quiz fire round or any musical round, I think it will be more enjoyable.
जी बिल्कुल। अगली बार अगले क्विज में माइथोलॉजी का राउंड हटा दिया जाएगा, उसकी जगह एक नया राउंड आएगा। हर बार हमारी कोशिश होती है एक नया राउंड, हम 2 सेगमेंट में एक राउंड चलाते हैं, उसके बाद चेंज कर देते हैं कुछ राउंड्स को, तो कोशिश रहेगी हमारी। We got your suggestion. Thank you. Yes, Bala, your final comments.
Yeah, it's really good to work in this quiz, especially in the atmosphere that whenever we both join with the listeners, it's electrifying every day. And this segment, especially the first segment, from the first segment till the last, we cannot forget that Super Over segment, as Ajit Pandaji has emerged victorious. And in the meantime, the segment we have recorded at the nights, and thanks to all the participants, not only these 3, and all the participants who came and stood with us even at the time of nights by sacrificing their sleep, everything. And we thank the final finalist. In the meantime, I congratulate Sukhbir Singh ji. I think he has done his phenomenal work. And next time onwards, we must ask the qualification of the participants as well because of that. And congratulations to Ajit ji and Arif ji. You can apply again. You can participate again. It's nothing that we are unable to do well. It's only thing that we will do well again. So no problem. You can come as this segment. Samil Lati sir has come again. Second time he has participated. So no problem. Best wishes to everyone. And thank you once again on behalf of Radio Udan's team and
जी खाइए पिए मौज मनाइए गाइए नाचिए टापिए रेडियो उड़ान के संग सुनते रहिए रेडियो उड़ान।
Radio Udan presents Quiz. Interrogate your intelligence.